comparing the package with one another. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Tosin. I'm a YouTuber and also a content creator that resides in France. You guys might be wondering, oh, why am I sitting down? What is Tosin up to, guys? Guys, what I am up to is something new, something that I have been wanting for quite a long time, since last year. And if you're following me on Instagram, you would see that I have been really talking about it, reposting, sharing. Like, I've just been all over it. I've been wanting it for quite a long time. But anyways, guys, you can spot the little package there. Can spot it? Can you spot it? Yeah. Can you spot it? I'm so excited, guys. This cost a whole lot of money and I really needed this specifically for my YouTube channel. And my phone is like always full. Anytime I'm vlogging, maybe outside or anything like that, I need to delete some things. For example, today I had to delete YouTube on my phone just so I can make space to vlog. And yes, I really need this so much. I've been wanting it since last year, and thank God that it is right here. And I'm so excited, guys. Like, trust me to be excited, because this costs a lot of money. Like, it costs a lot of money. And thanks to my mom as well for always supporting and helping in every possible way to make sure that I grow on this channel, in my life all around. So thanks to my mom as well, because this wouldn't be possible without my mom. So thank my mom for me in the comment section. Yeah, this cost a lot, guys. A lot of money. A lot of money. But we thank God that we are here now, and that, right now I won't have any issue with vlogging or my phone storage and stuff like that, because it's a lot of hassle when I want to vlog. It's a lot of hassle. So let me act like somebody that is normal. So guys, let's unbox my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. A round of applause. Let's unbox my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Are you ready? I am ready. If you're not, let's get into the unboxing. Open. Let me open it. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm closing my eyes. You guys see? Closing my eyes. How's this side? How's this side? Wow. So I got this memory card. I don't want to show. This magnet. Is it a magnet? This is it. This pillar. Then the DJI came with. The camera package is more bigger than the DJI package. Oh my God! So this is it. It is really small. I was see. Look at comparing the package with one another. See, this is the mic, and this is the DJI Pocket. So I got the Osmo Pocket bundle, like the full package. That is what I got. So let me start with the mic. Made for iPhone. Oh, my iPhone too can use it. Wow. So there is supposed to be a mic, cable, camera also cable, a mobile phone adapter, then DJI transmitter, two transmitter, which means 2 microphone and then the charging case. Alright, so this one is the back. We even have a sticker. I can use the sticker on my laptop. We have stickers, and then this is the manual for your phone, for your iPhone, for your camera, for the Osmo Pocket. I'll figure out what to do with that when we open it. Okay, this is so heavy. Look, oh, phone, DJI. Guys, I think this is a magnet. This is magnetic. I'll try it for you guys to see. Here are the microphones. Like, can you see? I'm actually expecting to see the battery as well. We have the USB-C charger to charge the microphone, the mic controller. I think this one is the mic receiver. It has language. It is screen touch. So me, I want English. Maybe the date of today. Let's see. You can still change it. So you can see this is actually. I'll have to learn about this piece. And yeah. So it came with iPhone mouthpiece and UBC. Something like my iPhone mount, so I can use it for my iPhone. And I guess I have to inject this in my iPhone. Yeah, I need to put this in my iPhone and then it would connect to charge inside the case. Arrange this back. This cable, so no way I'm not going to be serious now as before, but I need to start thinking of idea and everything. This is it. So on to the DJI Osmo Pocket. I pray there'll be the battery because box the DJI. What's inside here? I pray it's the battery. Guys, this is here. Wow. Small, I'm not expecting it to be this small. To enter playback. The memory card is there. Here, when I press here, you see that there. When I go up, let me widen my. So you see, when I go up, it actually like switches. When I go side, it comes side. You can see. When I bring it down, it comes down. And you guys can see the setting. You can see me here. And yes, the SD card, they said it's like I can only record for 6 hours 51 minutes. Imagine. It feels like Android, I'm not gonna lie. I have a feeling of Android. But yes, it's not bad. You can switch it back. Then you can make like videos like this. Okay, they switch off. I can bring it back English. That's joystick, rotation screen. storage SD. And yes guys, this is what we have. Let me switch to the Osmo Pocket's camera and let's see how it looks like. Guys, I'm actually trying to see if this will follow me. Like, I'm trying to I'm still like discovering a lot of things. Like, I'm still trying to see if it is going to follow me, but it is just moving. But can you follow me? No, it's not. I'm getting something. We'll see. It is not bad. I think it's because I'm still figuring things out. Today is still the first day, and yeah. So guys, at the moment this is the 180 p60, which is the highest quality, and I think when you turn it back it doesn't give the same thing. But yeah, this is it. Enjoy. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please, guys, watching my blog, share them. Please, guys, share them. Like, comment, subscribe. Please, guys. I've spent a lot of money on this channel, and this is just another way of realizing that this is not a joke anymore, and I need to take this so serious. So serious. Yes. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. You just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through.